Let's do it. Today your topic is Gaussian elimination method. Okay, Gaussian elimination method with pivoting. Okay, what is pivoting? What is other things that I am going to tell you. What is the use of first of all Gaussian elimination method? Why where we use Gaussian elimination method? Where we use Gaussian elimination method? We use Gaussian elimination method for solving system of linear equations. Okay, we use Gaussian elimination method for solving system of linear equations. What is the system of linear equation? Anybody can tell? Acha, system of linear equations. Can you tell me the example of system of linear equations? Who will tell? शोभना वर्मा प्लीज कम्युनिकेट करें. हाँ प्लीज. नहीं, दिस इज द जनरल एग्जांपल. गिव द पर्टिकुलर 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5. This is this the system of linear equation or linear equation? This is the complete example of system of linear equation. This is the linear equation. And please give system example of system of linear equation. This is the one equation, and you can take x plus y minus z is equal to 7, and if we have more than one equation, y plus 7z is equal to 1, then this is called system of linear equations. Okay, this is the system of linear equations. I give you a wonderful example. Suppose this is the x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 1. 2x plus 6y plus 10z is equal to 0. 3x plus 14y plus 28z is equal to minus 8. This is the example of system of linear equation. By the Gaussian elimination method, we solve this type of system of linear equations, and we will find the value of x, y, z. So what is the use of Gaussian elimination method? The use of Gaussian elimination method is to find the value of unknown variables like x, y, z in this example by a particular method called Gaussian elimination method. Before start, Before starting Gaussian elimination method, I just want to know, if I gave you to solve this system of linear equation, so the method to solve this kind of system of linear equation you already know in the your 12th class. So please tell me one. Any? Tanuja, Tanuja, प्लीज माइक ऑन कीजिए. माइक ऑन कीजिए तनुजा. हाँ, प्लीज मुझे बताएं आप कि इस सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस को अगर हम सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं तो हाउ वी विल सॉल्व इन योर 12th क्लास मेथड, हाउ डू यू सॉल्व? प्लीज बताएं। Substitution and elimination method, what is that method, please elaborate. ठीक है, वेरी गुड। ठीक है, तो आप सभी लोगों ने एक मेथड देखा जो इन्होंने बताया, बिल्कुल सही है। व्हाट शी सेड फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन नंबर 1 we will find out the value of x in terms of y and z. After that, that value of x we will put in equation number 2. Okay, if we put in equation number 2, then from equation number 2 we will find out the value of y in terms of z only. Then we will put this value in equation number 3. Then equation number 3 becomes an equation which have only one variable z. Okay, and by solving this equation we will find out the value of z, and then by back substitution we will find out the value of y and x. Thus we will get x, y and z, value of x, y and z. Very good, this is the correct method. There is one more method. Eh, please tell me any other student. I will ask the question. Tanuja, Tanusha, Tanusha, Tanusha Jain. जी, आप मुझे प्लीज़ बताएं इस इक्वेशंस को अगर आप सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं तो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, बिसाइड्स ऑफ दैट मैटर विच ऑलरेडी टोल्ड. ए एक्स इक्वल टू बी के फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे इसको? हम्म, ठीक है, मैट्रिक्स को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? अच्छा, ये आप कह रहे हो मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में लिखेंगे ए एक्स इक्वल टू बी. ओके, देन ओके, नहीं, आपका इस मैट्रिक्स में इस फॉर्म में आपने चेंज कर दिया. आफ्टर दैट हाउ यू विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स? How do you solve? Question is, how do you solve this system of equation? You want to say that then we will find out A inverse and we will find out x equal to A inverse P. Okay, this is the method which you want to tell. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, this is the another method to solve this kind of problem. ठीक है, but this method is not in your syllabus in BSc. There is one more method. Two method you already know. First given by one student, second given by another student. Now there is one more method. Any other? So I want to listen from your side that there is what I want to ask. Who will tell me? Anamika, अनामिका प्लीज माइक ऑन कीजिए. हाँ जी, आप इन प्लीज टेल मी एनी अदर मेथड टू सॉल्व दिस system of equation. Very simple method besides of these two methods. It's a very easy. Okay, let me know. I am going to tell you. Okay, it's a lots of time consumed in this question. how we will solve this kind of problems in your 12th class. ठीक है, तो Gaussian elimination. अब now I am going to tell you the solution of this problem, how you will solve. We do like this. First we will remove x from equation number 1 and 2, and please listen carefully. This is the Gaussian elimination method. First we remove x from equation number 1 and 2 and equation number 2 and 3. How we will remove? Eliminating x from equation 1 and 2, 2 and 3. How we will remove? We do by -2 multiply equation 1 plus equation 2 and -3 multiply equation 1 plus equation 3. So let's do it. What is this? Equation number 1 is what? X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 1. We multiply equation number 1 by -2. So this is minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z is equal to -2. Okay. And then plus equation number 2. What is the equation number 2? Equation number 2 is 2x plus 6y plus 10z is equal to 0. And then what we have to do? Add. Then we add these equations. So this will cancel out. This becomes 2y plus 4z is equal to -2. Okay? This is your equation number 4. Similarly, by the help of this one, what we multiply equation number 1 by -3. So this is -3 minus 6y minus 9z is equal to -3, and add equation number 3. What is the equation number 3? Equation number 3 is 3x plus 14y plus 28z is equal to -8. We add this equation, so x will cancel out. This becomes आपका 4 plus 4 8y plus 19z is equal to -11. This is your equation number 5. Okay. ओके, सब सॉरी, इसको मैं आपको बोल देता हूँ। फिलहाल इसको स्टार बोलता हूँ. दिस इज योर इक्वेशन नंबर स्टार and this is your equation number double star. Okay, now it's clear to all of you that how you will find out the equation number star and double star. Okay, जी गुंजन, गुंजन प्लीज माइक ऑन कीजिए. हाँ नहीं, my question is that whatever calculation I have did, it is clear to you or not? The calculation to get equation number star and equation double star, have you got it how this come or not? Okay, very good. Now what I am going to do now, this is our system of equation first. Now our system of equations becomes this equation, I will say equation number 4, this equation I will say equation number 5, and this equation I will say equation number 6. Okay, in the next page. So our system of equations becomes x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 1. 2y plus 4z is equal to -2. 8y plus 19z is equal to minus 11. This is equation number 4, this is equation number 5, and this is equation number 6. So our system of equations, which is equation number 1, 2, 3, now after calculation it becomes equation number 4, 5, 6. What we are going to next? We are going to next, we will remove y from equation number 5 and 6, and we will get a new equation, equation number 9. Okay, what is our next step? We will we will remove y from 5 and 6. Okay, by किससे करेंगे हम? -4 मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन नंबर 5 प्लस इक्वेशन नंबर 6. तो व्हाट इज दैट? इक्वेशन नंबर 5 को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं -4 से, तो -8y प्लस सॉरी -16z is equal to 8. And equation number 6 is what? 8y plus 19z is equal to -11. Okay, now we have to add this one. This will cancel out. -16 plus 19, this is 3z is equal to -3. Now our system of equations become, now our system of equations becomes, क्या बन जाता है? x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 1. Equation number 4. For the time being, I am going to say it is equation number 7. Then 2y plus 4z is equal to -2. This is equation number 5. Now here I say it equation number 8. Now from this equation will replace equation number 6, and this becomes 3z is equal to -3. This is equation number 9. Thus our system of linear equation, in which is equation number 1, 2, 3 in the previous slide, it becomes equation number 7, 8, 9, where equation number 7 has x, y, z, equation number 8 has y, z, equation number 9 has z only. Now we use back substitution method to solve this upper triangular system 7, 8 and 9. Okay, तो बाई 9 की हेल्प से 3z is equal to -3 means z is equal to -2. Okay, by 8 is 2y plus 4z is equal to -2. We will put the value of z here, and after calculation this will give you y is equal to 1. By 7 में क्या है? x is equal to 1 minus 2y minus 3z. We will put the value of yz here, so we will get x is equal to 2. So x equal to 2, y equal to 1 and z is equal to -1. This is our answer. आपके लिए मैं बता दूं कि 2019 में ये क्वेश्चन आया था आपके एग्ज़ाम में, DU में. ठीक है, तो इसको आप लाइटली ना लें. तो ये आया था आपका 2019. कौन से वाले कोर्स में आया था? आपको न्यूमेरिकल मेथड कहीं कोर्स में चलता है, GE4 में आया था. तो प्लीज़ टेल मी ऑल ऑफ यू, कि it is understood what is the method, Gaussian elimination method. ठीक है, सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन कैसे आते हैं, सॉल्व फॉलोइंग लीनियर सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस यूजिंग Gaussian elimination method. Please tell me it is clear to all of you or not. If you have any doubt in any, it is clear. Okay, very good. Now we will use Gaussian elimination method. This is the one way to use Gaussian elimination method. And if you say that I don't want to solve this by this way because this is a very lengthy procedure, so there is a very short procedure which is matrix method. Means method is Gaussian elimination method using matrix. We will solve this system of equation by the help of Gaussian elimination method using matrix. Uh, When you solve this system of equation using matrix, then it will be easy, it will be easy and less time consuming. Suppose by the previous method you will take 15 minutes, then by this method you will take only 5 minutes, which I am going to tell you. What is the next method? Gaussian elimination method using matrix. तो डी यू में 2019 में क्वेश्चन किस तरीके से आया था, तथा क्वेश्चन था सॉल्व द सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस, following system of equations by using Gaussian elimination method with रो पावर्टी. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन, बट इन today's class I am going to tell you only solve the system of linear equation by using Gaussian elimination method, not row pivoting. ठीक है, तो row pivoting method I am going to tell you next week. What is the system of linear equations? The given is a 1 2 3 2 6 10 3 14 28, and b is what, 1 0 minus 8, and x is what, x y and z. ठीक, so this is all given to all of you. So this is the same question which we have done just now. This is the same question which we have done just now. So I am going to now solve this question. So how we will solve? Before solving this question, do all of you know the operations in the row? Row operations. All of you know row operations. What is the row operations? कोई भी पता? Nishita, all of you know what you said? Okay. So let me revise. What is, there are the three row operations which you apply. First is, suppose you have any row Ri. So you can multiply any scalar to any row. Okay. So this is the one operation which you can apply. And the second equation, second method is, you can interchange any two row. Okay. And the third one is Ri. Ri is equal to Rj plus A R. Okay, so this is the three operations which I am going to tell you. They means suppose you want to apply in R1. So first one is what you can apply 3 R1. There is no issue. And if you want to replace R1 to R2, this is no issue. And the third is R1 may if you want to R2, then will be R1 plus 3 R1 like this. What is R1, R2, R3? This is R1 row 1. This is R2 row 2. This is R3 row 3. Okay. So first of all, I take you. Okay. So it's a 9:15. So I am going to solve this equation now. So how we will solve? We will solve. First we write like this. Argument matrix. Where we will write here equation matrix A 3, 2, 6, 10, 3, 14, 28, and then write down here B 1, 0, minus 8. Okay. Now we will solve this. We will solve this. What is the procedure to solve? We will take 1 as a main function. Just write down first equation like this 1. Now make 0 on the place of 2 and 0 on the place of 3. How you will make? R2 में apply करेंगे R2 minus 2 R1 and R3 में apply किया R3 minus 3 R1. So what you will get? 0, 2, 4 minus 2. 0, 8, 19 minus 11. Okay. So what we have did here, we just like this. What is R2? I am going to elaborate here. What is R2? R2 is 2, 6, 10 and 0. This is your R2. And minus 2 R1. This is your R1. This is your R3. तो minus 2 से multiply करते हैं. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 2. Add कर दो इनको. तो this will be 0, 2, 4, minus 2. So this is the way which is written here. Similarly, we have done this one. Then what is the next procedure? Now we will put this is as a pivot and we make this position as 0. So by this how we will do 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 2, 4 minus 2. R1, R2 is as it is. We want to change in R3. So R3 is equal to R3 minus 4 R2. So by the help of this what we will get 0, 0, 3 minus 3. So thus we will get this one. Now by back substitution. So what we will get? If we multiply this one by x, y, z, so what we will get the equations from this from R3 we will get minus no sorry plus 3z is equal to minus 3, that means z is equal to minus. By the R2 we will get 2y plus 4z is equal to minus 2. This implies y is equal to minus. X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 1. So this implies x equal to 2. So x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to minus 1. This is our answer, which already we have done in the by previous method, in the previous problem. The problem is same. Previous problem and this problem is same. But to solve the problem, the method to solve the problem is same. Quotient elimination method. First we have done quotient elimination method by equations by removing the variable from the equation, and now we have done this question by question elimination method with using matrix form. So I suggest you, if questions come in your exam, please use matrix form because it is very easy and it is less error. It will be less error in your exam, and it will less time consume. Okay, it is clear to all of you? This method is clear to all of you or not? Okay. If you have any doubt, then please let me know. And I am going to give you one question for practice question. For please do it by the help of matrix method, and try to understand, is it you understood the method or not? What is the question? Question is same, solve ax equal to b using quotient elimination method. The a is given to you 30 minus 20 minus 10 minus 20 55 minus 10 minus 10 minus 10 and 50. B is given to you 0 0 200. Okay. After solving, you will get x equal to 3, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 5. Okay. Okay. So please click the photo and try to solve this question. And please solve, everybody solve this question. Everybody please solve this